The prop firm industry is growing and it is taking over the old traditional ways of getting funded in trading. And today, guys, I'm coming with a list containing the top 6 prop firms that I have been working with, and they have proven they are the best, and I will show you the reason why step by step. So before starting, I just want to tell you, hit the like button, click on the subscribe button and activate the notification. The number 1 on our list is FTMO. FTMO is the best prop firm in the world right now because it has been there for a very long time and it has proven its credibility to a large amount of traders. They have a YouTube channel where they give free education videos and interviews with successful traders that I'm going to show you later on this video, and they are one of the generous prop firms because they give up to 90% of the profits you are making on your account. So how can you enroll on this FTMO program, and how can you choose your FTMO challenge? So we can scroll down here and we can see that in order to start making money on FTMO, you need firstly to pass an FTMO challenge. They will give you a demo account. First of all, you will pay depending on the account size. You will be given a demo account which you will be trading. You must follow some rules that we will be talking about. And once completing these rules, you will move to the next phase, which is the verification phase. So both of these phases are evaluation to your trading skills. So FTMO will get a clear idea about how you trade, about your performance. And finally, after you succeed those 2 challenges, those 2 evaluations, they will reward you with a funded account and you can start earning real profits. So let's scroll down to see how much you are going to pay for each account size. For example, the average one, which is $50,000, which we will be using to compare a prop firm to another, costs you 345 euros. But keep in mind that this fee that you are paying, you will get it back if you successfully pass these 2 challenges, which is the FTMO challenge and the verification. You can clearly see here that the FTMO challenge is a lot harder because the trading period is limited. You have only 30 days to achieve these profit targets. Here, as you can see, you must make $5,000 on this demo account, which is 10% of the account balance. 10% on 30 days is not something easy. It's not something everyone can do. So before buying this account, you need to make sure that you are fully confident on your skills and you have backtested your strategy multiple times and you have tried it on your demo account and you have seen some good results with it. And after you pass this challenge, you will move to the verification challenge and you will be only asked to make 5% on a 60 days period. So if you successfully pass the FTMO challenge, you are almost there. You will just relax, trade comfortably, no need to hurry because you still have a lot of time, and after that you will get your fee back. So the fee that which you have paid in the beginning, you will get it back, and now you will be trading risk-free. And of course, if you need a 200k account on a 100k account, the same rules applies, and you can click on this button here, quick comparison, to compare everything in one table. So this is the FTMO program. By the way, I forgot to tell you that if you successfully keep making a specific profit target every month, they will increase your account capital by 25% every 4 months until you get a $2 million capital. And of course, I told you that they are really generous. They start with 80% as a share, they take 20%. So for example, if you have a $10,000 account and you make, for example, $1,000 profits, you will get $800 profit and they will take their share, which is $200. But if you keep on winning, they will not only increase your account size, but they will also increase the profit share that you take up to 90%. So this is a generous prop firm and it has been there for a very, very long time. Let me show you some of the successful traders and how much they have made in their account. So this is their leaderboard, and recently we are seeing that there is a person here from the United States. He had a 400k account. So you are telling me now, how did he get this 400k account while the maximum funded account is 200k? So I told you guys that they will increase your account balance by 25% every 4 months if you achieve some specific profit target. And this person here, which is called Darius, he successfully did that. And not only he managed to secure 400k in funding, but he also made $702,000 profits. Imagine. He has made 176% on his account, and he is ranked the top on FTMO. And of course, you can see the leaders on each account category. For example, Nicola on the 100K account, he has made $41,000, which is 41% gain on his 100K account. So this is FTMO. It is the best. They have a YouTube channel with full of education content, with interviews of with successful traders. Now let's move to MyForexFunds. This is one of the best prop firms out there. Like, we can rank it the same as FTMO. But the reason why I rank this prop firm as the second is because FTMO, it's like the legendary level. Like, it has been there for a very long time, and it is like they have offices all around the world. It is like Amazon when we are talking about e-commerce, or Alibaba. But the reason my Forex Funds is one of the best, it's because they have 3 programs. They have rapid program, evaluation, and acceleration. The evaluation program, let's not just waste time. It's the same as FTMO. You have 2 challenges, challenge and the verification phase, but the rules are pretty simple. You remember here when we said that you must achieve 10% profit target, you must only not lose $500 per day or $1,000 a maximum drawdown. You can get a lot of information by reading this text and visiting their website. Here they actually have a 6%. Let me show you. Here they have 5% daily drawdown, same as FTMO, but 12% drawdown, maximum drawdown, which is great, which is easier. It gives you some room to play with your trades, and 2% increase in drawdown compared to FTMO. It also has 8% profit target compared to the 10% profit target on FTMO. So the rules here are a little easier. And of course, if you keep on winning, they will also scale your accounts. All the information you will find on their website, and you will be awarded with 85% profit share compared to the 90% profit share on FTMO. It has also the rapid and accelerated program, which I don't want to get into because it is not interesting for me and for most of the traders. And the good thing on this prop firm as well, it is that it is very cheap, and you can get as low as $49 to purchase a $5,000 funded account, a challenge account. And if we compare like $50,000, which is the average account size, for $300, here we can see it will be costing you, let me check, 345 euros, so approximately $360 compared to the $300 on my Forex Funds. They also have a 300k challenge package, which will be only available to the 31st of July. So hurry up if you don't want to miss this trading opportunity. So let's move to the third one on our list, which is E8Funding. And you saw me, guys, making $12,000 profits on this account, on this prop firm. It is one of the best, truly. Like, you can click on E8X dashboard and you can make your account. You can purchase the challenge and they will give you the credentials for your demo account in less than minutes. I'm really serious. And you can pass it really fast, so you can get the credentials for the next phase, which is the verification. And if you pass it as well the same day, you will get your funded account, all of this the same day. They are really fast. It's one of the fastest prop firms like I have ever seen on this trading industry. I would recommend you to go with that. The only thing which is bad for this prop firm, not bad, it's that they are a bit expensive and they don't have account less than $25,000 compared to my Forex Funds here with 5k and FTMO here with 10k. Okay. And also this prop firm comes with an LF account, which is a 100k account that they will increase each time you reach a 12% profit target. 60% profit target each month. They will increase it by 100k, all the way up to $1 million. So it will take you 10 months to reach there if you consistently make 16% a month. So let me show you some of the successful traders here on E8Funding. And here there is a guy called Austin, and he's also from the US. Damn it, I don't know why all of the successful traders come from the US. As you can see here, Austin, Ricardo, also Justin from Canada, Tyson from Canada. He has made $98,000 profit, same to this person, $90,000, and the fastest person to accomplish and to pass the phase 1, which is the challenge phase, is Dominic with 3 minutes. As I told you, 3 minutes to pass this first phase, and Yahya for the next phase. And the fastest evaluation, which is the first phase and the second phase, is Calogero from Italy, and he has made it less than 15 minutes, guys. Okay, and you can see other stats here, for example, the highest risk to reward trader and the best win ratio. For example, Sharif, 95% win ratio with a 250k account. Guys, there are really awesome trading skills out there. Like, these prop firms are showing us some of the best traders here. And imagine this Austin, this person called Austin, if he hasn't worked with E8, I'm sure definitely he won't be able to make $98,000 profit. Like I told you, that the prop firms are great. They are taking over the old traditional ways of getting funded, and they are giving you the ability to trade with a higher and higher and higher account equity in order to make a lot of profits for a small risk, which is the only fee that you pay in advance to take the challenge. Now, we have reviewed 3 of the best prop firms. Let's move to the 4th one, which is FinotiveFunding. And this is a relatively new prop firm, and I'm amazed by their service because they are the best to offer this program, which is called instant funding. And this instant funding, they will not ask you to pass any verification or any challenge. They directly get access to the real funds, so you can trade with. But of course, if you want to take the challenge, you definitely can. And the profit target is only 7.5% for the phase 1, which is a lot easier compared to the other prop firms. But in order not to waste time and keeping you bored, let's move directly to the instant funding program. So here, of course, they will be a lot expensive because it's instant funding. Like, when you are paying, you will get directly the access to the funds. So in order to protect them from people who are losers, from people who are just randomly buying accounts, they made it a little bit expensive for only those who are serious about it to take the action to buy these accounts. But the problem is that they only give you 55% in the beginning. 55%. So for example, let's take an example here. For example, you buy a 100k account with $2,100. Okay? If you make a $10,000 profits, which is 10% on this 100k account, which is $10,000, you will get only $5,500, the first profit share. But I'm sure they will increase it time by time, because they said starting at 55%. And of course, they also have an aggressive mode to the same instant funding for traders who are having a risky strategy that involves taking a lot of trades. So they made this drawdown limits a little bit wider, and they also increased their profit split to 60%. And of course, this is the minimum. They will keep increasing it after you keep on showing them that you are a good trader. But of course, it will cost you a lot. For example, 100k on the safe, the standard instant funding account, $2,100, and the aggressive mode, it's more than the double of that, with the 5.28k price to pay. Now let's move to the 5%ers, and this is one of the best and one of the top prop firms out there. I have made a video about them 2 months ago, I think, and I'm really amazed by their services. They have 3 funding programs: the 100k bootcamp, the instant funding, and the freestyle funding program. I really encourage you guys to watch the video I have made about them. It is full of details, and it is truly one of the best prop firms out there. They have the best reviews on Trustpilot and other review websites, so I recommend you to watch that video, because even if I keep saying and reviewing this prop firm on this video, it will take me a lot of time, because there are 3 programs and each one of them is interesting and worth talking about. Let's move to the sixth prop firm and the last prop firm on this list. Guys, it's not the worst, like it is one of the greatest prop firms out there, and it is called TrueForexFunds. I really compare it to E8Funding because they look the same to me. I'm not sure if that same thing goes to you, but they are one of the best. You can check there. Phase 1, Phase 2, it's 4%. It's a bit easier if you ask me. And also their prices are pretty nice. For example, you can get a 200k account for 998 euros compared to FTMO that gives this 200k account for 1080 euros. So here are all of the prop firms that I think they are the best and I recommend you to go with. I will leave the links to these prop firms in the description so you can check them by one if you want to apply to one of their programs. And of course I will also leave my ID on the description because I will be starting a community on Telegram. It will be private community. I will be sharing the trades that I'm taking on my main account, and I will keep answering your questions and sending you forex analysis and crypto analysis. So see you in the next video. Good luck guys, and stay safe as the coronavirus is spreading. Good luck.